If you have been in India, if you're an international student studying in India right now, and your account has been blocked by cybercrime, I believe you should watch this video to the end. So what do you do when your account is blocked or when the money in your account is taken? How do you go about such a situation? What can you do? I mean, there are several people that have gotten back their money in full from cybercrime. So make sure you watch to the end and consider liking this video if you believe it added some value to you, and subscribe as well for more videos like this. Now listen, once your account gets blocked, if you receive an SMS saying that there's a lien on your account, the first step is to go to the bank. I mean, the bank cannot really help you, but it's good to go there first to tell you what's up. So okay, it's a money mule, it's this, it's that. When you get there, you tell them to give you the acknowledgement number. That number, you take it to cybercrime office. Now, when you go to cybercrime office, you need to understand that those people cannot speak English. Did you hear that? They cannot speak English. So I would suggest you go with an Indian that understands English and the local language, so you can easily communicate with them. Okay? Now when you get to the cybercrime office, show it to them. They'll open their system and they'll tell you what happened. They'll give you the name of the person that initiated the complaint. They'll give you the cybercrime jurisdiction where that complaint was made, and the contact number and the email address as well. Now what you have to do now is you have to follow up with those contact numbers as well. So contact them with most preferably an Indian. Okay? Tell the person to call them and ask them what's up. So usually these cases are still in court, right? It's like a court order that gives them the permission to freeze your account. So you tell them, explain to them that this is your innocence, this is something that it's your money, it's not stolen. Explain to them properly and they might consider your case. Okay, there are several people that have gotten back their money in full, and there are others that might not get their money back, but it's better trying. I mean, you never know unless you try. So try to follow up with them, and you have to be persistent. Okay, it's not just follow up, you have to be persistent. You have to show them you know your rights and you can get your money back. I know someone that got her money back in full. I've also got my money back as well at one point. So yeah, some cases you might get your money, in other cases you might not get your money. So you just give it a shot and let me know how it goes in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding cybercrime, blocking of accounts and all of that, comment in the comment section. I'm going to reply to every single comment. And please subscribe to your boy. Help us to get to 1,000 subscribers. See you in the next video.